The Carolinas are opening up their gates this weekend to give you an up-close look. 7 News' Christine Scarpelli, she's live this morning giving us a preview of this tour. She's at a farm in Polk County this morning. Hey, Christine.
Neal and Knoll Farms, absolutely. Yeah, a lot going on here. You guys heard the peacocks before. A couple of minutes ago, you saw those bison out there. One of them, the bull they used to have, 2,500 pounds. No big deal. Big animal. So cool, though. He says they're very cute. We were talking to the farmer here and just loving them. But right now, we've got something very important to tell you about. Vineyards are also on the farm tour coming up on Saturday. That starts at 9 a.m. Here's a flyer for you. You're going to see this also at WSPA.com. I'm going to post it on our Facebook page. But there's a whole lot of farms and some wineries on there, too. They're going to be serving wine, and you're going to be able to see where your food comes from. Even if you don't get it from right here in Polk County, you can still ask about where it comes from, see the animals, even taste a little bit at these different farms. Lots of different ones. The wineries are my favorite part, but that's just me. This is Mountain Brook. Here we've got Dennis Lanahan, and Dennis, clearly your wine has won some awards. This is very, very impressive. You guys are located pretty close. Tell us what we need to know, what people will see this weekend.
Making wine is not very complicated, and when people come, I think they really enjoy learning about the process. We have 7 acres of grapes. We make all of our own wine. We process everything by hand. We have a very small winery, so we're able to share that with people as they come, ask questions about the process. Why do we use oak barrels? Why do we use stainless steel? And they learn something about making wine, which I think is very entertaining and informative.
Definitely an experience. I know when I was there, I had some cheese too, so you have a little bit extra. You have a new building as well.
Yeah, we moved our tasting room about 2 months ago, and it was a move that we should have made earlier, but like a lot of businesses, you get focused on the ground in front of you and don't look up.
Not that easy, yeah.
And the new tasting room is much larger. Large porch, people can come and spend some time.
Real quick, give me your address. I know they can find it on our website too, but give me that.
731 Phillips Dairy Road, Tryon, North Carolina.
Very good. They're a stop on the farm tour. Again, it's Saturday, WSPA.com. All that information right there. Another thing that you can try. Put it on the to-do list, guys.
Daybreak field trip, maybe? Can't believe you haven't suggested that yet.
Daybreak field trip.
It's official now.
Yes.
Thanks, Christine. 6:23. Coming up, this video of a child